Kijing pitip nam ta kubor laj kam kidon artlik post kibalaj po West Jaintia Hill District Office jongka TRDA tekane kadebej direct interview walk-in interview Office of the Deputy Commissioner and Chairman District Rural Development Agency mudba pihak banlej hakanek office hakapor ba kandek interview kandok interview for the following post at Namdong CNRD block on contractual basis for a period of 1 year or maybe likely to be extended ladap shisnam subject to the satisfactory performance of duties and services provided by the district and block. The work interview will be held in the office chamber of the Underzan on the 4 August. Kan mau ketua tarik South tarik August ajar fly from 11 AM onward. Kadoi beje senang. Kan mau makanya ka tarik South tarik jom August kadoi ke office kadai bihang ni hapo Joy West Jaintia Hill kena ka DRDA District Rural Development Agency. Teka por kadai kadoi beje South tarik jom August tegi post kibalat kadai junior engineer kawai ke post diploma in civil engineering from any recognized university, experience minimum 1 to 2 years in related field kang ne katulop kadai khat prajar tenam tak LDA kane ron kawai class 12 pass with knowledge in computer, experience in MS Office te kane kadai khatsan hajar katulop te ke ba interest akan mau ke tarik South tarik August phaban lek kata office ra igi documents ki jong phi hangne la dabang interested candidate should bring an application in standard form te kane ka standard form la aban thet na gi dukan xerox te phabra tu pendap te phabra original documents ringkat bat ka zero copies of all the documents and one passport size photo kan mau kinam ai ka bai lek be1 te registration ka sedang na duk khandai beji kan ko duk khatwai beji tenang tu bedeng ka sedang ka interview te ki bokwa apna pai te sakan mau kini ka tarik South tarik jom na Agos nam ta kini artli ki post ki balan tangini ki dip kuplesibon